Welcome to Craft Beer Friday. I have no idea what I'm drinking tonight. It is Friday the 13th, and I thought it would be appropriate to find some weird beer because of the day it is. So I found this beer in my fridge. It doesn't have a label on it. It only has a BC on it. I am pretty sure my brother gave this to me. He probably made it. I have no idea what it is. So we're going to drink it. Got a glass. Not going to smell it. Pour it out. Good color. Still has carbonation. That's a good sign. Horrible pour. It's kind of pink. Kind of fruity. I think it's like a Berliner. Sorry. Cheers to these beers. I legitimately have no idea what it is. I don't know what it is. It had some fruit in it at one point or something. It tastes aged. It has kind of like a barrel taste to it, but it has been sitting for who knows? There's a lot of sediment. I'm gonna get sick from this. Whatever. I mean, it's drinkable. I don't know, like a 6 out of 10. All right, that's it. If you're my brother, please tell me what I drank. It's got a BC on it. There we go. So yeah, have a great weekend. Drink some beers. Stay safe. Wear a mask. We'll see you later.